Hello children, today we are going to do with color code of register. So you have very well understand what is a register, what exactly I mean by the term resistance. So when you do with the circuit, then you require the resistors, and in the register it's difficult to tell the exact value of its resistance, and in that case what is being done, there is a color. If you get to see the register, you will find that there are colors being coated on the registers. Okay, so it looks something like this. There will be four. If you get to see a picture like this, there will be four bands. Okay, and these four bands are such that they are representing the colors. The first two bands, just what I would like to, I'll be taking up a class to explain you what is color coding of register and how it is helpful. But before we start with that, you need to know because so many colors are there, so many the values, the figures are there, so you need to figure out how you can learn the things in a very easy way. So in order to learn this, we are again using a mnemonics here. We are using a very nice mnemonic, and the mnemonic is, I have written on the board, just I would like to read. Just look at the lines. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife wearing gold and silver necklace. Now you take all the first letters, the capital letters, and in order to do it, you are going to take three columns. First column, the colors. The second column is the first and the second band. So this is the first band and this is the second band. And the third band is the multiplier. The third band is the multiplier. Okay, and the fourth band is the tolerance band. What we call is the tolerance band. So altogether you have got four. The first two will represent the figure. The third one will represent the multiplier, and the last one will represent what? It will represent the tolerance band. So let's see, seeing the colors on the registers, how we can predict the resistance of that resistor, seeing the colors only, right? So in order to do it, what exactly, if you get to see B.B. Roy, so B is for black, then B is for brown, then R is for red, O is for orange, Y is for yellow. Don't see this off. Then you get to see the grades. I'm just underlining here. These are the terms. G is for green, B is for blue, B is for blue. Don't see these two lines. Again you see violet, V is for violet, and then you see this is grey. We have got this as grey, this is grey, and the last one, this is W as white. So 0, if you start the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So altogether you are getting 9, right? And the multiplier, it will be 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, like that it goes on till 10 to the power 9. Now the last one, we are talking about the multipliers, and here we have another sentence written, and this written is wearing gold silver necklace. So wearing gold silver necklace means the first one comes with the gold. So gold has got 5% tolerance. Silver is having 10% tolerance, and no color, without any color, it is 20% tolerance. So we have got three categories out here. Now suppose if you are given now resistors and the color is like this. The first one is red color. Let us assume you have got a resistor and the colors are like this. The first color is red in color. It is red in color. The second one is yellow in color. The third one is grey in color, and the last one is, let us suppose it is silver in color. Okay, so what you are getting, you are getting a register. In this register you have got four bands. The first color is red, the second color is yellow, the third color is grey, and the last one is silver. Now you are, after seeing, you have got a register and you can see very well see these colors, but what you have to do, you have to find out the resistance. So let's see how we do it. The first one is red, so you will check it out. This is red is 2, so we'll write here this equals to 2. The second one is yellow, we'll check it out. Yellow is for 4, so it is 4. The third one is, if you get to see, the third one is the multiplier, that is grey. Gray is 10 to the power 8. And tolerance I will write plus minus, as because it is silver, so silver is 10%, plus minus 10%. So this is the resistance. This is the resistance you are getting for this resistor. We'll do one more so that you understand better. Let us assume we change the color. We change the color. Let's see the colors, what we are changing up. So I'm rubbing it up. Let us assume the first color is blue. The first color is blue. The second color is orange. The third color we have taken is, let's see, black. And the third one, let us assume there is no color, there is no band. And you cannot see any color. Okay, fine, no color, no color. So what you are going to write, how will you see the resistance? You check with the first one is blue. So blue is 6. Next is orange. Orange is 3. Then third is black. Black is 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 is 1. And then with no color, so we are writing plus minus 20%. So you are getting 63 plus minus 20% ohm. So this is how you are calculating the resistance of a resistor. This is the way you are calculating. You are just finding out the resistance of the resistor. Now when you, after seeing this class of mine, suppose if you get to see the resistor, you see the resistor and from seeing the resistor, you tell the exact value of the resistance. Exact to nahi, it is a range actually. Plus minus 20% or plus minus 5% or plus minus 10% shows that it you add 5% of like for example you find out 20% of 63, you add it and then you subtract it with 63. First you add that number with 63 and then you add that subtract that number with 63. So you get a range from year to year. The resistance is varying. So this is how we are finding out the resistance using the color code of the resistor. Now this is very easy and it's very easy to do, but the only problem is that if you mess up the things which are easy, that's a really I know it's very easy to forget also. So just learn this mnemonics BB, and there are two B, so you will be confused. B is for black or brown. So you are starting with black and you are ending it with white. So the first one is black. The second one is obviously brown. Next confusion will come with 2G. This is 1G and this is another G. The first one is darker green. So it is green, and the third one is grey, little like the faint color. So this is the way you learn and you will find it very easy. Apart from that, when you do with the resistance, you know how to combine with the resistance. When they are combined in series, series means you are taking 3 resistors joining end to end. Series means two resistors. Let us suppose we have taken 3 resistors. One R1, this is another R2, and this is another R3. We are joining end to end. Here the current is same. This is series. Current is same. Potential difference is different. So what you get, V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. And this is IR equivalent. Current is same, so IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. So what you are getting, when they are joined in series, the resistance increases. Right? Now next, when you join in parallel, okay, so this is one resistance R1, this is another resistance R2, this is another resistance R3, and these are the 2 points. So you have got the common potential difference, right? So here what you find out, when they are joined in parallel, your current is different, current flowing is different, but potential difference is same. So you will write I is equals to I1 So when they are joined in parallel, you will write I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So this becomes V by R, potential difference is same, V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So you get 1 by R, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, so this is how you combine with the resistors. Another thing that you may get is to find out the power, heat. You know the basic formula H equals to I square RT from the Joule's law of heating, that the heating is directly proportional to the square of the current, it is directly proportional to the resistance, and it is directly proportional to the time. So H equals to I square RT. We have the formula Joule's law, H is equals to I square RT. Okay, and H by T gives the power. Power is equals to I square R. So this way you have the major two formulas, and with this formula you can find out more and more formulas. I hope you enjoyed this class. It was easy, it was not that difficult, but next class we are starting with the Kirchhoff's law, so you need to be very careful about the Kirchhoff's law, because you make a mistake and that becomes a blunder. So there we catch hold with the next class. Till then, it's goodbye. Bye.